Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open, and as you can see that there is a big breakout on the chart of gold. Right now, gold is standing at 1875. This is the current market price. My dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. It was a long video, so I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So let's get the point. So first of all, we can see that DXY is going down. DXY is right now standing at 103.67 and heading towards the next support of 103.50. And as we have already discussed in our previous video, that 103.50 is the last support on the chart of DXY, because if we move to the higher time frame, let's say daily time frame, or if we move to the weekly time frame also, we can see that there is no immediate support on the chart of DXY. If DXY breaks 103.50, then there may be a further fall, sharp fall on the chart of DXY. So things are not very positive for DXY right now. If DXY takes support around 103.50, then it is well and good. Otherwise, things will be very, very difficult. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So my dear friends, as we have already discussed in our previous video, that the structure of gold, okay, the structure of the chart is like this. Market is forming higher highs and higher lows, and right now market is just standing at the peak. So obviously this is not the ideal position. If you're holding a buy position right now, then it is okay, but if you're looking for fresh entry, then I think you should wait for retracement, because if you take a buy position here, you will be paying a higher price, and every market has an average price. And what happens is that when market will be coming down, okay, I'm not talking about trend reversal here, when market will be coming down for some retracement, you will panic because you have paid a higher price. When you will see that market is going down, thoughts will come into your mind that maybe market is going for trend reversal, but in the long run you may see that market is just continuing the structure. So as a result, we should always follow the concept of area of value, AOV, and in an uptrend market, usually area of value is always around the support. In this chart, two things may happen. First of all, market is approaching the minor resistance around 1880 level. Okay. So there may be some resistance around 1880, and we may see some retracement on the chart of gold. And when market will come down to the support levels, we can go for a buy position. Now the question is, where is the support then? First of all, the best support is always around the trend line here, because the trend line is beautifully working as a dynamic support for the market right now, and the support will be around 1825. Okay, I'm using the word around because this is a dynamic support. We do not have the exact figure right now. When market will come down to the trend line, then only we will get to know where is the support. And see, around 1825, why I said, because we have also seen previous price rejection around 1825. So 1825, 1826, this level has a high chance, high potential of acting as a support for the market right now. But the problem with the 1825 level is that it is far away. So isn't it? 1825 is far away. So before 1825, we have also some support around 1850. Okay, 1850 to 1847. Why 1850, 1847? First of all, 1850 is a psychological support because this is a round number, and secondly 1847 because around 1847 we have seen some sort of bounce previously. So we can expect that if the volatility of the market is low, if the market does not witness extreme selling, okay, then 1847-48, okay, has the potential of acting as previous support to act as, sorry, previous support to act as resistance here. Okay. What am I saying? Previous resistance, sorry, previous resistance to act as support here. But we can hope that 1850 may act as minor support for the market. Apart from being a psychological support, we don't have any other factor right now. And the other support on the chart of gold can be around 1864, 1865. Yes, 1864 to 1865 can be another support. And I think in this chart, okay, in this chart, this level has the potential of acting as a support, because this was the previous swing high, which may act as support right now. Okay, so if market comes down to 1864-65 level, observe the market. Observe the market. If you see that after coming down to this level, market is taking support, market is forming a hammer pattern around 1863-64 level, you'll get the confirmation that okay, market is trying to take support, and you can go for a buy position, because buying and retracement is always a safer entry in the market. But now the question is from which point the market will reverse. So you can, if you get the point later on, you can also use Fibonacci retracement level as well. Let's say market reverses from 1880. Okay, if market reverses from 1880, then draw the Fibonacci level like this. Okay, and just check where we have the levels. First of all, we have Fibonacci 23.6 around 1866 level. It means that around 1865 definitely we can expect. If market reverses from 1880, we can definitely expect the market to bounce from 1864-65 level, because apart from previous resistance to act as support, we also have the Fibonacci right now. If it fails, then you can see we have another support on 1858 as well. So now the question comes, from which level the market will come for retracement. Again, I'll say, if you have a buy position right now, be on the trade, no need to exit. And if you're looking for a fresh entry, then yes, buying at support or buying at retracement is the best thing to do right now, because it will be a late entry in the market right now, because as you can see, our risk to reward ratio will not match. For example, if I take a buy position at 1876 right now, obviously my stop loss will be on 1863. A stop loss of 130 pips is not a matter of joke, isn't it? So do not lose patience, wait for the market to come down to your level. As we all know that we should not chase the market. Okay, let the price come to you. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Wait for the market. Wait for the right opportunity. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Okay, so my dear friends, this is it. If you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday regarding how we have derived the levels and all. Okay, bye bye. Take care and all the best.